Welcome to the ZenInbox Help Center, your go-to hub for assistance with ZenInbox. Whether you need guidance, want to report a bug, or have ideas to share, the Help Center has you covered. Click the Help icon in the top right corner of your ZenInbox dashboard. Use the search bar to find specific topics or browse the categories like labels, billing, drive, and more for detailed guides. Whether it's requesting a feature, reporting a bug, or providing feedback, you can use the dedicated options to communicate directly with our team. Drive instant access to troubleshooting guides and feature documentation. Clear and concise articles to maximize your ZenInbox experience. A direct channel for feedback, bug reports, and feature requests. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for being a part of ZenInbox. Together, we'll simplify email management and boost productivity.